Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick step-by-step guide on how to find Robinhood referral code. So here's a simple, straightforward step-by-step guide on how you can find your Robinhood referral code. So if you are using the Robinhood app, just open the app on your mobile phone, then tap the account icon, which is the person icon in the bottom right corner, then select invite friend, then get the stock or reward. You will see your unique referral link or a referral code on the screen. So tap share link to copy or send it to friend directly. Then if you are using the website, if you want to log in through the website, you go to your browser, then visit robinhood.com and sign in into your account. Click your account, click the profile icon in the top right corner, then select free stock or invite friend. So your referral link or the code will definitely appear. Then tap copy and you can also share it with other to invite them to Robinhood, and that's how you can easily find your Robinhood referral code. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.